Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by verifying dimensions and assembling supports so the net will hang true. Set posts vertical and secure anchors. You need a taut top cable to keep the net level. Once the posts are fixed, clip the net to the top cable along its length and hold tension with the winch or rope. Make sure the center marker aligns with the court line. This prevents drift during tightening. This first stage establishes the geometry that everything else depends on, so take a couple extra minutes to check alignment and tension. Now you move into detailed tuning. Tighten the top cable to remove sag, but allow a small give, about 5 to 10 centimeters at midspan, so the net behaves predictably in play. Next, pull and secure the side straps evenly. They control lateral shape and prevent wind from distorting the net. Once the bottom cord is tensioned, inspect the net plane visually from both sidelines to confirm evenness. Also attach antennae at the correct horizontal offset and make sure they are plumb, because they define legal ball crossing. To finish, recheck net height at both posts and the center. Small mismatches ruin service calls. Once done, conduct a light ball test, 3 serves from each side, to feel the rebound and detect uneven tension or loose knots. If you find sag, lateral drift, or rubbing against posts, release tension progressively and retension the top cable while correcting anchor points. Inspect straps and knots for wear and replace any frayed parts. Remember, consistent tension and secure anchors are the 2 things that keep the net functional and safe.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.